3D Printing Club, and I'm gonna interview some people about what they feel about 3D printing. Let's start with Hayes.
Okay,
How do you feel about 3D printing?
I like that all the adults in 3D printing, all the adults in 3D printing club care about what the students are doing and how they do it. I'm on YouTube. Oh my god!
What? What do you think about 3D printing?
I like it.
Okay, that's all?
I like having 3D printed stuff. I like have a 3D printer at my house.
Okay. Yeah. So what's your name?
Adele.
Adele, okay. So what do you like most about 3D printing?
Everything.
That's it?
Yeah, everything.
What is your favorite thing about 3D Printing Club?
My favorite thing about 3D Printing Club is that we could design our own models.
What do you think?
I think that it's fun because you could create anything you want on there, and there's better things you can make models of any kind.
Excuse me, what is your favorite thing about 3D Printing Club? You will be on YouTube.
I don't know.
You're gonna put it on YouTube. So what is your favorite thing about 3D Printing Club? You better answer this.
We use computers, and I like computers.
Okay. What is your favorite thing about 3D Printing Club?
The challenges.
Okay. What is your favorite thing about 3D Printing Club?
Building stuff, 3D printing stuff, and the challenges.
What is your favorite thing about 3D Printing Club?
It is that we get to make things that are really cool.
That's a nice one. What is your favorite thing about 3D Printing Club?
I like the 3D printing part of it.
Okay. What is your favorite thing about 3D Printing Club?
I really like 3D printing because you can practically make anything you want by just designing it and then telling the printer to print it.
Okay.
So it's easy to just make anything you want with a 3D printer.
Okay.
And then here we turn 3D printing into challenges, which is also really fun. Because now it encourages you to make better models that you can actually print.
This side. What is your favorite thing about 3D Printing Club?
That we're getting on the computers?
Now, you.
We get to learn cool things and all that stuff, but please do not invade my privacy. I like 3D Printing Club is because the shapes you can make.
Yeah, I really like that one. Beware, your stuff can be stolen beyond this area. Oh my gosh, you're crazy, Timothy. Okay, what about you? Caution, evil monkeys ahead. Crazy. Okay, what is your favorite thing about 3D Printing Club?
Making things, being creative.
Evil monkeys. Yeah, I like creative stuff. What is your favorite thing about 3D Printing Club?
Oh, I really like watching all the kids make all their cool new designs.
Yeah, I like being creative too. Okay, what is your favorite thing about 3D Printing Club?
You can build everything with your imagination if you learn some of these skills. I think it's really nice. It's opening up lots of possibilities. You can do art with it, or you can build like robots and things like that. I think learning just a few things opens up a brand new world. Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, so what I think I like about 3D Printing Club is that it sort of expresses your feelings in art and imagination and creative stuff. That's what I like about it. Summary is that people like 3D Printing Club.